Hello everyone. Okay, so I recently worked on a content generation automation on n8n, and I would like to share with you guys the final product that came out, and it works really great and it's really practical. So let's head over to Telegram, and first let me show you how it works, and then I'll show you the workflow. Okay, so if we start, you see that I am submitting a picture as well as a small prompt with it, and it will return me the picture using Nano Banana. And you see that it created a really great image, and once we approve, and it will ask me for the video ad idea. Okay, so here in the form I will submit an ad idea. So the ad idea doesn't have to be really descriptive or really good looking. It can be rough, because later on what we'll do is we'll take this ad idea, and then we'll feed it to the LLM along with the image description. I'll show it to you later. And then it will create a really perfect and nice looking script out of it before it is sent over to Vue.js. Okay, so I've submitted it, and then it will return me the video, which, okay, so let's look at it first.
I've never had a shirt this comfortable. It feels super soft, perfect for any day out. And it really does look great, doesn't it?
Okay, you see that it looks really great. Now let me show you how it works in n8n. So let's head over to n8n, and then here, node by node, let's see what's happening. So first, we watch for any messages that we get on Telegram, and then once we get a message, we save the information here in the set node. And again, as I said, you can either use image with the prompt, or you can do just the prompt. So it works both for both of them. So we have two paths over there for each case. So if you get an image, you download that image, and then you convert that image. The reason we're converting is because Nano Banana doesn't take binary images. It needs to be converted into base64 format before we can feed it the image. And after we convert the image, we use ChatGPT to refine the prompt that the user wrote. And after that, we send the request to Nano Banana to generate the image. And again, we have a proper error handling over here. If there's an error like content filter error or any error in general, it updates the user that there has been error in the process. All right. And after that, it returns us the image, and the image again is in base64 format. We need to convert it to binary. And once it's converted, we send it over to Telegram. And after that is done, we send a message and then wait for approval. The user in this step can either reject or it can approve. If approved, it starts the script generation process over here, and then it asks for the video ad idea, and then it downloads the image again back from Telegram and downloads it, and then converts it to base64. Now here what we're doing is very unique. I didn't see anyone that's doing it, but this really improves the video generation process and as well as the quality of the script. So what we're doing is we're downloading the image, converting it to base64, and sending it back to Nano Banana, and we're asking it to describe the image, and we'll feed that image as well as the video ad idea to LLM as an input. And you will see that we have fed it the idea as well as the description that we got from the vision model. And this will really improve the video generation, because the during writing the script, the LLM will know what the picture contains and what the ad idea is, and using that it will create a really amazing script. And after that, we start the video generation process, and I'm using Veo 3 Fast for this purpose, because Veo 3 is pretty expensive, and Veo 3 Fast can be a lot more cheaper as compared to that one. And then once the process has started, we wait for 30 seconds, because the video generation can take anywhere from 1 to 2 minutes, and it waits. And after that, it checks the status if the video is done or not. If it's not, it will again loop back, and until it's done, it will keep looping. And once it's done, I have a switch over here which will check if it's complete, in progress, or if there is any error. If it's in there's any error, it will send the message to user that there has been an error in the process. And if it's complete, it will download that image and send it to Telegram. So this is the whole workflow. Again, it is really customizable. You can further customize it. For example, you would like it to post on all of your social media channels after the generation has been done, or it can be customized in number of ways. I really liked working on it, so I thought I'd share it with you guys. Thank you so much.